Every baby and every feeding journey is different, whether or not you're breastfeeding, bottle feeding with express breast milk or formula, and back to the breast again. It's important to know that there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all bottle or teat for every baby. And that's why Tommee Tippee have developed alongside healthcare professionals the Perfect Latch Trial Kit, so you can find the perfect teat for your baby from the very beginning, removing the trial and error process for parents, which is incredibly frustrating, expensive and wasteful. Teat shape affects how a baby latches onto the bottle. You want a teat that allows for a deep latch, natural pace, good lip seal and easy positioning. Flow rate is the speed the milk comes out. It needs to match the baby's natural suck, swallow, breathe rhythm, and that can change as they grow, so the baby doesn't get overwhelmed and reject the teat. This kit features 2 teat shapes for improved acceptance with trial and no error. The 2 teat options include the wide latch, designed to help reduce nipple confusion with special ridges that flex and stretch like a breast. Supple pronounced slope for easy movement, as well as a wide base that offers more space for a good seal. The deep latch, for a good latch and natural pace. It's triangular in shape, designed to easily reach the soft palate of your baby's mouth. It has a gradual taper to wrap lips around fully for a good lip seal. Nipple-like to fill the whole mouth for less air intake. In the pack, both teats are in an extra slow flow rate, specifically designed for gentle first feeds. They have a breast-like shape to help reduce nipple confusion and is made with a soft, flexible silicone to help with positioning and pace. They also have an anti-colic valve to reduce air intake and is designed to fit all Tommee Tippee Natural Start bottle bases. The kit also features a 60ml Natural Start bottle for accurate newborn size feeds. It also includes a milk cup to support breastfeeding by feeding small volumes of milk using the cup feeding technique to give your baby milk whilst they're establishing a good latch. There's no right order to try the teats, just like there's no right way to feed your baby, whether that's breastfed or bottle fed. In consumer trials, this combination of teats delivered over 98% of first acceptance rate, and that's why Tommee Tippee have designed the Perfect Latch Trial Kit so that it makes bottle feeding simple from the very beginning.